In this video, we're going to talk about an increasing annuity example. Suppose you invest $2,000 each year at the beginning of the year for 8 years. That $2,000, or each of those $2,000 payments, are going to earn 8% interest. But rather than just leaving it in that account, you're going to take that 8% interest payment and you're going to reinvest it in a different account that pays 5% interest. We need to know how much we have total at the end of 8 years. All right, so no matter what year we're in, if you have a $2,000 investment at the beginning of the year, then you're going to earn $160 at the end of the year. So each and every year you're going to put $2,000 into this account. So for the first year, you'll earn $160. The second year, though, you're going to have $4,000 in there, or double the amount, so you'll earn $320. The third year, you would have $6,000 at the beginning of the year. So at the end of the year, you would get $480, and so on down the line. So you see that the interest payments going into this second account form an increasing annuity. And that increasing annuity starts at $160 and increases by $160 each year. So we can use our increasing annuity formula to give us the total amount that'll be in the second account, the one where the interest payments are being invested. So we have 160 times the future value of an increasing annuity for 8 years at 5% interest. Here's our increasing annuity formula, future value of an increasing annuity formula. So if we put in these particular values here, we need a future value. We need S double dot angle 8. So I will change my mode to begin mode. We'll put in 1 for the payment. We have a 5% interest rate. We do that for 8 years, and we want the future value in this case. Notice in this case it's negative because I put my payments as positive. I'll flip that sign around. We want to subtract 8 and then divide by the interest rate. And then we need to multiply by 160. And notice that we get $64.85 in that case. But of course, that's not the only amount that we have only amounts that we have. We also have our original $2,000. We put in $2,000 at the beginning of each year for 8 years. That means we've also put in $16,000 in the first account. There's no additional interest in there because each year we're siphoning the interest off and putting it in the second account. So we'll have $16,000 plus the $64.85, or $22,485 in total.